Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to graph the function by hand, not by plotting points, but by starting with the graph of one of the standard functions. Here we have y is equal to sine x, and then applying the appropriate transformations. So we have two transformations here. So the original function is sine of x. So by multiplying the x by pi, that is a horizontal shrink by a factor of pi. If it was outside the function, if it was pi sine of x, then it would be vertical shrink slash stretch by a factor of pi. And then we're adding 1, so up 1 unit. First, we have the horizontal shrink. And I'm going to draw this on a different graph. For most of these, I've been drawing them on top of each other so you can sort of visualize the transformations. But for this one, I think it's helpful to draw a separate graph. It's going to look very similar. However, the axes are going to be completely different. So horizontal shrink by a factor of pi, that means it's going to hit all of these points, but the x values are going to be divided by pi. So instead of pi divided by 2, it's 1 divided by 2, 1/2. Pi becomes 1, 3 pi over 2 becomes 3/2, or 1.5, and 2 pi becomes 2. And then a similar thing over here with all the negative equivalents. This is going from -1 to 1. And just this, I'll draw the intermediate function, right? Where we're only shrinking by a factor of pi. It's going to look the exact same as the original function, just with different values on the x-axis. And then we just have to go up 1 unit, so it's going to go up to 2, and we just move everything up. So don't have to be super careful with this, just everything gets moved up. So a value of 0 goes up to 1, a value of 1 goes up to 2, a value of a value of -1 goes up to 0, and so on. And this is going to be the final function. So I'll actually draw it in pen. This is 1 plus sine of pi x. And then we can just erase this intermediate function to make things a little bit more clear. This is our function given the original function and applying these two transformations.